Hi. I've been really getting into the spring weather that's been slowly making its appearance here in Canada, so I'm really in the mood to do a kind of springtime look, and I think that a kind of a spring flirty date look would be pretty ideal right now. So yeah, that is what I'm going to be going for. It's going to be pretty simple, nothing too bold except for the lips. The lips is what's going to have most of the attention. It's going to be a flirty, nothing dramatic, just cute and flirty, fresh, glowy kind of look, and I think that that is a perfect look for springtime, especially now that it's getting warmer. So let's get started. Alright, so I've zoomed you in and I've already primed my eyelids, and we're just gonna get right into the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna be using none other than the Modern Renaissance palette, because what other palette is good for romance? I am going to start off by using the color Blonde Fresco, I think that's how you say it, but this little pink shade right here. I'm going to start off with that as my transition. Alright, and then with a small crease brush, I'm going to go in with the shade Love Letter right here. And I'm going to put that into my crease. I'm going to wet my brush, and I'm going to dip into the shade Vermeer right here and place that onto my lid. I'm slowly bringing that up the lid towards the crease so that it blends nicely in with the rest of the shadows. And then just going back in with that same Love Letter to get back that pink that I lost. And that's pretty much it for now. Quick, right? Yeah, so now I'm going to quickly do a nice small wing. You can do whatever kind of wing that you want to do. You don't have to do a wing. You can do just a little line. You don't have to do any kind of eyeliner at all. Up to you, but I think for this look I want to do a tiny wing, so I'm going to use the NYX Epic Ink Concealer, eyeliner, and quickly line my eyes. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to put on some mascara. I'm gonna do my foundation. I'm gonna prime using my usual Kat Von D Lock-It primer. Now I'm going to use my Burberry foundation, and I'm using this one because it's a more lighter coverage foundation, and it gives a really nice glow to your skin. It also blends out really well with a beauty blender, so much so that it basically looks like your skin. Like, you don't really even need to blend it down your neck, which is really nice. The only thing though is that it does not blend well with a brush. That is definitely one thing I've noticed. I'm going to take some of that foundation onto my lips, which is hella gross, but I want to do it because the color that I'm going to be using on my lips is a very bright color, and I want to make sure that it shows. Okay, that's done. I'm going to conceal and do a little bit of cream highlighting. And set. I feel like a mannequin with these lips. Okay. So now we're gonna go back to the eyes. We're gonna take that Blonde Fresco shade and dust it under the lower lash and use a different brush. I'm going to put Love Letter on the outer corner of the lower lash. Okay, now I'm not going to be using any falsies for this look because I think that, I mean, you can use lashes if you would like, totally up to you, but for me, I think that I want to be super natural with this look, and yeah, so I'm just gonna stick with mascara because I think it's very like a low-key pretty, you know? Alright, so I'm gonna bronze my face. I'm gonna do a little bit of nose contouring. That is it because I'm not gonna be contouring. Like I said, I want to do a little bit softer pretty look for this makeup. So yeah, that's about it. I forgot to do my eyebrows. I should probably do that, so I will go quickly do that off camera. Alright, so I quickly did my eyebrows a little bit more naturally, just kind of my everyday eyebrow look, eyebrow style. And I just set it with some clear setting gel, and I brushed the hairs on the front up a little bit so that they can look a bit more feathery. But that's about it. So now that we're basically done with the upper half section of the face, we are going to use the Makeup Revolution Rose Gold Liquid Highlighter, and I want to give this highlighter another chance because I really do have high hopes for it. That might be a bit too much highlighter. Okay, well that works. That worked very nicely. Okay, so I guess rubbing the blender over the liquid highlighter helped a lot to blend out the highlighter, so I'm just gonna put a teensy bit more on the right side of my face. This side of my face. I don't know if it's left or right for you, because I put a little bit too much there, so I'm gonna have to match it. Yeah, I definitely put too much here. But at least from this side, it looks beautiful. Wow. I'm liking it. I'm gonna put a little bit on, just a tiny bit, down on my nose and down the bridge of it. And a tiny bit on my cupid as well. Like a teensy tiny bit, just because the lipstick I'm gonna use is already gonna be pink, so I'm not sure how well it's gonna really like stand out. Yeah, this highlighter is really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that for now. I was also wrong. I'm not done with the eyes just yet. I'm going to, from the Modern Renaissance palette, I'm going to use this shade Tempura right here, and I'm going to put that in the corners of my eyes, like so. And that's basically it for the eyes now. I'm going to finish this look with my lipstick. So I'm going to use the Wander Beauty lipstick. It has 2 lipsticks in one, 2 mini ones. And the one that I'm going to be using is this one, which is Nikki Beach. And it's a very beautiful pink, a very bright pink. So I'm going to just put that on. See? Bright pink, like I said. And you know what? That is basically the entire look. Right, so yeah, this is the finished look, guys. I just quickly set my face. I have to say, that went in my mouth. I've been using the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, which I bought as part of my haul video, and I've been using it ever since I got it, and I love it. It smells so nice and refreshing, and I've been doing quite a few spritzes of it across my face every time I do my makeup, and it still feels like there's still like this much left in the bottle, like a little bit over half, or half, like just around there. But I mean, that's actually not that bad, considering how many sprays I've been using on it. This is basically the entire look. I'll put on some earrings to show you how it looks with some earrings, I guess, just to kind of spruce up the look a little bit. But I actually really like the way that this came out. I think that if you want, you don't have to do a pink lip and pink eyes. If you want a more neutral eye, you can definitely do something that's that uses more brown colors, more earthy colors, neutral shades that can definitely bring out the pink a lot more. But I'm not mad at this look. I think that it's really nice, and I'm definitely not one to wear bright pink shades like this, but this is the only lipstick that I would willingly wear outside. So yeah, I think that should say a lot, considering I have lipstick in my teeth. Wow, that's not good. Alright, so yeah, you definitely, as you can tell from that little scene there, you should watch out for transferring onto your teeth and other things with this this lipstick because it's definitely creamy. It doesn't really dry down matte or anything like that. It does set a little bit. I'm paranoid now. It does set a little bit, so you don't have to worry as much about having bright pink teeth, but definitely be wary of that, especially when you first apply the lipstick. Yeah, I'm so paranoid. But no, I really like the way this came out. Like this highlighter, once it's nicely blended into your skin, it looks so nice. So yeah, that is basically the finished look. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. They're both at brybreemakeup. So you can definitely just check me out there. Like the video, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell. They all help, it really does. I love getting feedback from you guys. It's really nice, and yeah, that is it. Alright, so I will see you in the next video. Bye!